Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup receipts to Google Photos with credit card transactions, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all your physical receipts. Make sure you have a scanner or a smartphone with a good camera. If you're using a smartphone, download the Google Photos app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Google Photos app and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, tap on the Photos tab at the bottom of the screen. To upload your receipts, tap on the plus icon or the upload button. Select photos and videos from the options that appear. Choose the images of your receipts from your camera roll or scanned files. After selecting the receipts, tap Upload or OK to begin the process. Wait for the upload to complete. This may take a moment depending on the number of files. Next, open the Google Photos app to verify that your receipts are successfully uploaded. Now, go to your credit card transactions section. Find the corresponding transaction for each receipt you uploaded. To keep them organized, create a specific album for your receipts. Tap on Albums at the bottom of the screen. Select Create Album and name it Receipts or any title you prefer. Add your uploaded receipt images to this album by selecting them. Now you can easily access both the receipts and the related transactions. Consider adding notes to each photo for better organization. You can do this by tapping on the photo and selecting the info icon. In the Notes section, type in details like the date and the reason for the purchase. This helps in future reference and personal finance management. To back up your receipts automatically in the future, turn on Backup and Sync in Google Photos. Go to the main menu by tapping on the three lines in the top left corner. Select Settings and then tap on Backup and Sync. Toggle the switch to enable Backup and Sync. Your receipts will now safely back up to Google Photos whenever you upload them either through scanning or photos. Review your receipts and credit card transactions regularly to keep everything organized. You now have a foolproof way to back up your receipts and track your expenses easily. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.